Alright, it's the 23rd of July. We're baling second cotton, grass, orchard grass, Timothy mix, a little bit of alfalfa. We got bc5050 running. Seems to be running pretty good today. Trying out some new twine. It's 190 knot strength. Plastic. We've been running sisal all these years, but it's got so expensive, can't hardly afford to buy it anymore. So we switched to the plastic. It's about 85 degrees out. Boys are a little hot and sweaty. We got about 700 bales so far today. About 500 more to go. Thought I'd share this.